Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain you about the super keyword in Java. So what is actually super keyword in Java? So it does nothing but it generally refers to the parent class. So this is what the super keyword means, and this is the actual use of super keyword. So there are many uses of super keyword. We will check one by one. So at first we will check access the parenting methods. So at first we will check accessing the parent methods. So let's get started. At first I am creating a parent class animal, and then I am creating a method sound, public void sound, and I am writing here animal makes sound. Okay, it's done. And I am creating the child class, means the inherited class from the class animal. For example, class dog extends animal. Okay, now I will create a method here also, public void sound. Yes, and I will write here sound, sorry. Okay, I have inherited the animal class to the dog. Now I have created public void sound, the dog makes sound. Okay, now what should I do? uh, Now I will create class main. I will create the main method, and then I will create a dog object, my dog, new dog. Okay, I have created the dog object here. Okay, so it will be a small case. Now I will call the method of the dog class, means sound. Okay, so I have created the dog object. Okay, I have created the object of the dog class. So with the help of the dog object, I am calling the function here. So if I run this, what it should print, dog makes sound. So see, it is calling this method. So now if I want to call this method as well, so I have to create another object here. I won't do that. I will simply uh, write here super dot sound. I will simply write here. What is this super keyword doing? It is referring to the super class, that means the parent class. And within the parent class, I am accessing the sound method, calling the sound method. So in the first line itself, this method is called, and whenever this method is called, this statement is printed in the terminal, that is the animal makes sound. When this statement is printed, then the compiler moves to the second line. Then in the second line, it is printing dog makes sound. So what will be the total output? At first it will do this, which will be printing this method, that means animal makes sound, and then it will print this. And it will all do just by creating only one object with the help of the dog object and calling the dog sound method. Let's run it and check. See, at first animal makes sound, then dog makes sound. This is how you can do it. Okay, now if you want to if you want to access parent methods, sorry, if you want to access parent attributes, accessing parent attributes, how can I do it? I will simply okay, I will remove this. I am creating a parent attribute named string type, and I am writing here animal, suppose. Okay, I have done here, and I will also remove this and write here string type is equal to dog. Okay, it's good, looks good. And then within that, I am I will create a function as print type. Within that, I would write okay. I will write print type. Okay, for example, I am giving like this. Uh, super dot. Suppose I am doing like this. Super dot type, and okay, I have created the object. Then I am doing okay. So here is the total program, and what it is doing actually. I have created the dog object, means of this class dog. Then with the help of the dog object, I am accessing the print type method. So whenever the print type method is called, then it will run this method. So within this, what it is doing, it is simply printing the line super dot type. In this super keyword, it is referring to the parent class, and in the parent class, I am accessing the type variable from here. So what is the type? It's animal. So animal will be printed here. Animal will be pasted here. So whenever I will run this method, it will print animal. Let's check it. See, it is giving animal. So our program works well. So if I so you can ask a question, how can I print the dog here? Simply do this. Simply do this. Out. I am creating here my dog dot type. You can simply access from it here directly, as you have created the object of the dog class. Yes, see, animal and dog is printed. So this is the second method and second thing. And let's move to the next part, that is calling a parent constructor. What is the second part? Calling the parent constructor. Okay. Let's make a constructor here at first. Within that, I am writing suppose animal is created, and then in the dog type, the dog class, I will create. Okay, I am removing this, and then I am creating the constructor of the dog class. Okay, I have created the constructors here. Then in the main, I have created this. Okay. So now we have learned that whenever the object is created, the constructor is called. So whenever I run this program, it will print this. The constructor will run as because I have created the object of the dog class. Let's check it. See, animal is created, dog is created. Okay, so why animal is created is giving here. Okay, so I have created this object here, and if I run this, it will print here first animal is created as because it is the parent class, and then it will print the next constructor. So if I want to print animal is created in the last, how can I do it? At first it will print like this, see, it will print like this. At first the parent constructor runs, and then the child constructor runs. So if I want to run the parent constructor at last after the dog is created, gets printed, and how can I do it? I will simply write down here, after this statement I will simply call the super, means I am calling the super method here as it is referring to the constructor of the parent class. So if I write like this, it will call the constructor of the parent class, means it will execute this after this execution is done. Let's check it and run. See, I have called this object, I have created this object, it is running, and whenever it is running, it is first executing. This line is executing first, and then the super keyword is referring to the parent constructor here, and then the parent constructor is running, and then it is executing this statement. So this is how we are getting this result. So this is all about constructors. Thank you. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.